Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another episode of Tap Lab. And in this video, we're going to be talking about Instagram name tags. I'm going to show you how to customize the style of your name tag. I have a previous video that shows exactly how to use Instagram name tags, from scanning to creating to sending. So be sure to check that out if you don't really understand them or know what they are. So now, to do customization, what we need to do is swipe over, and then we can go to our profile screen by tapping the icon in the bottom right of the tab bar. And then what we want to do is tap these three lines in the top right corner, and there's an item in there called name tags. So you can go ahead and open that up, and this is your name tag. So like I said, check out the previous video if you don't know what this is or you don't understand it. We have quite a bit of customization here. Starting off on the top of the screen, you'll see emoji. So you can tap on that and sort of toggle through the different styles. So there's three different styles really. Let's start off on this emoji one. What you can do to change the emoji is tap on one of the emojis on the screen. Then it's going to bring up this panel, and you can sort of pick whatever one you want here, and it's going to change it to that style. It'll also change like the colors in your name and stuff to match whatever one you pick here. So that's how to customize the emoji style. Let's open up the selfie one here. For this one, you take a selfie. If you've already taken one, you can hit retake. It's kind of like this, and it just lets you take a selfie real quick. I already took one, so I'm just gonna hit cancel. But to change the style for this one, same thing, tap one of the icons, and that's gonna give you like some different options on your face. Mustache one, that's kind of interesting. So there's how to customize the selfie one. Then we can tap on the top again and go to the gradient one, the one that says color. To customize this one, simply tap in the gradient area, and it's going to have a bunch of different color options for gradients there, so you can kind of pick whatever one that you like the best. And that's how to customize the three different options. And this is useful if you're sharing these somewhere like on social media. Like if your brand is mostly like orange and pinkish, you might want to do something like this one. You know, if you're more blue, you might want to do something like this. Or if you're more fun, you could do one of these emojis. Whatever your brand is, you can find something to sort of match that with these customization options. Then of course you can hit the share icon in the top right corner and export this as an image to share like on other social media and stuff like that. But there you have it, all of the customization options for the name tag feature in Instagram. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos and drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. There's also an Instagram playlist with like 100 Instagram tutorials if you're interested in learning more. Be sure to check that out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.